Good evening, children. Today we will learn two-letter words sentences. He is to go up. He is to go up. It is by me. It is by me. Do it. Do it. It is an ox. It is an ox. Go by it. Go by it. It is my ox. It is my ox. He is up. He is up. We go in. We go in. Go up to it. Go up to it. It is us. It is us. Come on, children. We will repeat it once again. He is to go up. It is by me. Do it. It is an ox. Go by it. It is my ox. He is up. We go in. Go up to it. It is us.